In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a forgotten Messenger pin code. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But open up the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android device, and from this home screen right here, tap the menu button down in the bottom right. This could also be in the top left depending on your device. It's just going to be that 3 lines icon. You're going to see a settings option up at the very top. Go ahead and select that, and from here, scroll down until you see the privacy and safety option. Select that, and then scroll down even more, and you're going to find an option for end-to-end encrypted chats. Go ahead and open that up, and up at the top, you're going to see a message storage button. Go ahead and open that up. Now this is where your pin settings are going to be. Since you've forgotten it, simply go ahead and tap on reset pin. You're going to have the option to create a new pin. You will have to type this in and then confirm it, and once you're done, you're done. Just a quick tip though, set your pin to something that you're going to remember, but not something that's too easy to guess. But overall, it really is as simple as that. Your Messenger pin is now going to be reset, and you can now access your encrypted messages again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.